Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about how to configure a background image property in HTML program. So here I have configured the background image. So let's see this program. So here come to the head section where I have declared the style element, and in between style element I use the body selector, and in declaration part I have used this background image syntax. So it is write like background image, then colon, then you have to write URL, and after that you have to give the image name. Here the name of the image must be same as the image that you have saved in the HTML folder or the folder where you have kept your HTML programs. So here the image name which I have saved is i.jpg, and we have to write this image name in double quotation mark. So come up to the body section where I have write some part in some heading and in various paragraphs. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. So for that you have to go to run and then launch in Chrome. So here you can see that it will be displayed like this in the browser. So this is the background image which I have used or which we have declared here in this declaration part. So if I remove this part from here or the background image property, like here, if I delete this part and now save the program and now refresh it. So now you can see that it will remove the background image from the browser. So again, if you undo the and save the program and again refresh it, so the background image will display again. So this is how we can add the background image to the HTML program. So in next program we will discuss about how to add the background color and background image both in the HTML program. So for that I have made the another program. So here I have used the background color as well as the background image that I want to display it in the here in the browser. So for that here I declared the body selector. After that in declaration part I have given the background color and the background image property. There is one more property, that is background repeat. We will discuss about this on later on. So here I use the background color and I mentioned the hexadecimal value, and background image same as we have declared earlier, its URL then its image name. So and in body section I have used these same content, the various headings and the paragraph marks. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run and then launch in Chrome. So here you can see that it will be displayed like this, and here the background color is a light blue, and the image which I have mentioned here image.png will be this image. So this is how we can configure both the background color and background image in the HTML program. So here the background color will display first. If the internet connection is slow, then the background color will display first in the browser, and after that the image will display as it is loaded. So this both property together provide the more pleasing visual experience to the visitor. So we have to use these both property together, that the background color and the background image. After that the next we have using here the next property, that is background repeat. So here sometime what happened, tiling effects or the behavior appears when we add background image to the web page. Like here I have used this background repeat property to eliminate such effect or such behavior of the background image. So here I mention it as background repeat to the no repeat. So if I delete this part from here and now save the program and now refresh the browser, so you can see that it will cover the whole web page by repeating the image. So if I mention this property, that is background repeat property, and if I mentioned here its value as no repeat. Now save it and now refresh it. So it will display this single image that we added here. So this is about the background repeat property. The another value of this background repeat property is if we want to repeat this image to the vertical side, we have to write here repeat y, and now save the program and see the changes in the browser. So it will be displayed like this in vertical side or in the left side of the browser. Same way, if you will write here repeat x to display in the horizontal view, for that now save the program and refresh the browser. So you can see that it will be displayed in the horizontal view. So these are the various valid values for this background repeat property, that is repeat, it is set as the default, and repeat y, repeat x, and no repeat. So we will mention here the value no repeat. No repeat. Next, we are going to discuss about the next property, that is background position property. So this background position property is used to configure the position of the background image, and whereas the default location of the background image is the top left of the browser. So if we will save this and refresh this, you can see that its default position is at the top left side of the browser. So if we want to add the position to the background image, for that we have to write here the next property, that is background position colon. Now you can set the position, or the value must be in percentage, pixel value, or you can also write it as left, top, center, bottom, or right. So here I am writing as center. So here I give the value as center. Now you can save it and refresh it. So it will come in the center of this browser. So next we are going to discuss about the another property, that is the background attachment property. So here this background attachment property configures whether the background image remain fixed in the place or scroll along with the page in the browser viewpoint. So if our web page is large or long, then what happens, the image, either the image will remain fixed or it will scroll with the page. So for that we have to write the another property, that is background attachment So here in this fixed, as I write here the value as fixed, so it's this position of the image will be fixed here in the browser. So if I will write here the scroll, now save it and refresh the browser. So here this image will scroll as we go down to the web page is long, and as we browse down to the web page, this image will be scrolled down to the as with the web page. So these are the various property that are associated with the background image, like background color, background image, background repeat, background position, and background attachment. So this is all about background image property. Thank you.